Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax missing forms problem quickly. Yeah, if certain tax forms are not showing up or you can't find what you need, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to complete your return, but most of the time it's actually an easy fix once you follow a few simple steps. So first, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Yeah, updates often include the latest IRS forms, so if you're using an outdated version, some forms might not appear at all. Next, check if the form you need is available yet. Uh, some forms are released later in the tax season, so if it's not ready, TurboTax won't display it until it becomes available. After that, try searching for the form manually inside TurboTax. Use the search bar and type the form name or number to quickly locate it. Also, review your entries to make sure you've added the correct information. Sometimes forms only appear when specific data is entered, so missing inputs can hide the form. And yeah, if you're using TurboTax online, refresh the page or log out and back in. This can reload your data and bring in any missing forms. Finally, if the issue continues, clear your browser cache or reinstall the software. Most of the time, these steps will restore missing forms and let you complete your filing without any issues. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.